Peru's coastal deserts and rugged cliffs hold unique challenges, shaped by torrential rains, earthquakes, and unforgiving terrain. When landslides strike during heavy rains, our teams respond in coastal ravines and urban areas, clearing debris, restoring access, and supporting affected communities. On steep cliffs and rocky slopes, our vertical rescue specialists descend with ropes, double-line safety systems, and technical stretchers to evacuate victims trapped in dangerous places. In the face of seismic emergencies and tsunamis, we mobilize to assist with mass evacuations and coordinate with authorities to establish safe shelters for the population. And across deserts and coastal canyons, we operate with advanced survival skills, 4x4 vehicles, drones, and satellite communications, ensuring that even in the most remote landscapes, rescue is always possible.